This is a little greenhouse I made myself. It contains my favorite lettuce with its escort. No matter how cold the weather is, lettuce is green. Let me share my production process below. Interested friends, please look down. This is a used car tire. With a knife, you cut it like this. Don't throw away the rest. Stay and give him a top. Find some sticks. After the coat is done, make a mark on the tire. And then you fix it to the tire with a hand drill. This is what was just cut off. Secure it to the other end of the strip like this. Find a rag and put it on the bottom of the tire. Next, fill in the planting soil. Transplant the lettuce seedlings that have been cultivated in advance. This is a rice husk. Can make the soil more fertile. Water. Then buy a roll of plastic wrap. Wrap like me. Until all the gaps are tightly wrapped. Check it carefully. Prevent the film from not stretching to see. This is an old fan cover. Buckle it up and sit on the top. Of course, wrap it in plastic wrap a few times. And you're all set. After 18 days, see the lettuce growing green through the plastic wrap. Let's open it up and see what's growing inside. Appropriate temperature. It's growing well. You can take it out and eat it. Okay, that's it for today's video. Have you learned how to make a small greenhouse? If you like my video, remember to follow it. Retweets and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.